This shows that it is not possible to identify pitch pattern with sentence types in any simple way. It does not, however, undermine the point being made here, since the two patterns are still clearly distinct. Even in the popular press notice has been taken of uptalk, suggesting that the distinction between falling and rising is obvious to the causal native speaker observers. Footnote. This use of final rising statement is widespread in North America and Australia and New Zealand, and appears to be spreading in Britain. Early comment in the popular press was Gorman. I will return to this topic in section 3233. Next, relative prominence. The two prominence patterns are also clearly distinct. The first, weak, strong, is a neutral stress pattern. Neutral stress pattern used when there is no particular reason to emphasize either 5 or pounds. Or, to put it somewhat differently, when the focus is on the phrase as a whole. This is a stress pattern that would normally be found if the phrase were used to answer a wide range of questions, like "How much does it cost?" or "What did you give him?" or "What have you got there?" The second pattern of prominence, strong, weak, focuses on the second pattern of prominence, strong, weak, focuses on 5 for contextual reasons, and would normally only be used in a discourse context where a specific number of pounds was under discussion. That is, as an answer to a question like "Did you say 4 pounds?" In either pattern, it is possible to bring about perceptible gradual modifications of the phonetics prominence of the individual word 5 or pounds by gradual changes in various acoustic parameters, adding a slight nuance of emphasis to one word or the other. But the prominence pattern of the utterance as a whole must fall into one of the two categories shown. Either we have narrow focus on 5 or we do not. In describing the situation this way, I'm not ignoring the fact that the weak, strong pattern can be used to focus on pounds, for example, in reply to a question. Like, did you say 5 euros? Rather, I'm claiming that there is a clear asymmetry. Uh, asymmetry. Asymmetry in the linguistic effects of the two prominence patterns. A point that will be discussed at some length in chapter 6 and 7.